New Energy Vehicle, High Voltage Safety Technology, Teaching Experimental Training Bench. Based on mainstream New Energy Vehicle, High Voltage Control Logic, the system adopts high and low voltage safety control circuits to ensure safety during the teaching process, can provide teaching and training on the principles of high voltage systems, high voltage power on and off operations, process assessment training, and insulation fault detection and alarm. The system is equipped with a dedicated upper computer for debugging the core parameters of the high voltage system, enables students to fully understand the control and fault alarm conditions of the entire high voltage system. The supporting testing instrument table meets the requirements of high voltage safety teaching and assessment for new energy cooperation between schools and enterprises. Power on operation. Step 1. Before operation, check whether the high voltage connection, components and low voltage connectors are properly connected and in place. Step 2. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Pull it outward. Step 3. Turn on the power switch. Pull the power switch inward. Step 4. Turn on the ignition switch. Rotate the ignition switch to the right. The equipment is normal. The high voltage line interlock is not disconnected, and the high voltage connector indicator light is on in green. If the abnormal interlock is not in place, it will light up in red. Step 5. Open the high voltage safety training software on the computer desktop. After entering the software, click on the port to select M4. Click on the baud rate to select 115,200. Finally, click on Connect. Step 6. Engage the gear and select the gear through the gear lever. Step 7. Accelerate and rotate the speed control knob. As the amplitude of rotation increases, the operating speed of the motor accelerates, supporting electronic and paper guides. The electronic version of the guidebook can be viewed and downloaded by scanning the QR code on the platform. Contains detailed operating procedures and knowledge points related to component modules. Help teachers and students easily learn about new energy pure electric vehicles.